What are you doing today, Lukey?
I can't. Are you carving your pumpkin, Luke?
Yeah.
I'm carving my pumpkin with my carving knife. I got a kid's carving knife.
Is it Halloween?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know what I'm going to be for Halloween?
What?
A skunk. Mommy, could you help?
I'm set. Come with me. That's a lot of work. Let me do this part and you just do the face?
Do my pumpkin.
Seeds down.
No, it's too young.
That's what you gotta do.
Gross.
No, try it.
Okay. No,
Yeah, just put your hand in there and
No,
take the stuff
yeah.
out. No, that's the stuff you gotta get. Now let me cut it up for you a little bit. And then just pull it out and put it on the newspaper.
Okay. Mine didn't get
Maybe you'd
so
like a big spoon too.
Yeah. Those look good.
Can I help you with yours, Lou?
Yeah. This is a teaspoon. Two seeds. I like that. Not that hot. Mommy, I can't get the seeds on.
Open yours up, Lukey. Let Lukey do it. What's in there?
No.
No. Mommy cut your top off. Okay, now you gotta put your spoon in here and take all this stuff out. Can you get all those seeds out?
It's hard for me.
It's a lot of work.
I only get a couple seeds at a time.
Oh. You want me to help?
Yeah. I want you to help.
I get to do all the dirty work?
Let me check. They look pretty gooey.
They look better than before?
They look cutie gooey.
Are you guys ready to put the faces on?
Yeah, give us the ride.
Okay, you have to turn around and sit down.
I need to find a way this goes.
No, you can leave that off while you're doing your face. Which side do you want to do the face on?
Right there.
Okay, you're gonna have a triangle nose about there.
Yeah.
Okay, then you push it in.
Pretty hard to push
Yeah,
in.
and then you gotta do like before, up and down. You wanna try? Oh, careful. Yeah, keep it in. You don't have to take it out. Just kind of go back and forth. Okay. Wait, then you want to come down. Wait. Can you push it in? There you go. And go up and down again. You're doing it by yourself, just about, huh? Then you gotta do it this way. Okay, all the way down. Okay, go back and forth. Well, just pull it towards you. Woo! You got yourself a nose, huh?
Yeah, look at my nose.
Show the camera the nose.
Look at the camera. Look at my nose.
Did you do that yourself just about, huh?
Yeah. Where's my knife? You got it.
Now we're going to do the rest of it?
My pumpkin. I drawn up and down teeth and a triangle nose and a square and one eye.
One eye?
Yeah.
'Cause he's a monster?
Yeah.
Can you hold him up? Oh, he is scary.
Happy pumpkin.
With a big smile?
Yeah.
And what else? What kind of nose?
A big nose.
A big nose?
Yeah.
And eyes?
Yeah.
How many eyes?
2 eyes.
And anything else?
And 2 noses.
2 noses? Get out of here. He wouldn't be very happy if he had 2 noses, would he?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna help me start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Say goodbye. Goodbye.
Well, we're gonna try and do it so you can see.
I know how to do mine.
Well, come here and help me.
Ooh.
We're gonna do ours right here. You gonna help me push? You want a triangle nose?
Yeah.
Push down.
Or a
Then go up and
football
down.
nose. Or do you
You're
want a
doing it.
football?
That's good. How about a Jimmy Durante?
Let me do it this way.
You have to let me get it started, okay? And then you can push it down. So go up and down and up and down. Well, whoop. Watch out for your hand. And you want to cut right across the top?
Yeah.
Okay, I think it's going to come up. Show the camera your nose. So there's our nose.
No.
Now we're going to do the rest of it?
No. Listen, they're first.
Well, I asked Lukey too, honey. What kind of pumpkin you got, Luke?
A happy face.
Yeah, what kind of eyes did you give him? Clown eyes, did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like Bozo, that's me. You got Bozo. And a nose.
And tonight we'll light them? We'll put a candle?
Having our pumpkins. Now we're going to light them. We're going to color in them. And we're going to light them.
And then you're going to say Happy Halloween?
Yeah. I said Happy Halloween.
Sit down, honey. Sit down. Uh-oh. Sit down, Lukey. You can look at it after we say Happy Halloween and I turn the lights off. Get away, this is hot. Move back.
Blow it out.
Wait, don't blow it out.
Did it go out?
No,
I told you it went out.
it's okay, Luke.
I don't want that candle.
Pick up your chair.
Hey.
Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.